Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up OneDrive to sync to the D drive. First, search for the OneDrive cloud icon in the Windows search at the bottom of your screen. Once it shows up, click on it. Then click the gear icon at the top of the OneDrive window. From the drop-down, select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Account tab. Click on Unlink this PC. A confirmation box will appear. Click Unlink Account. This stops OneDrive from syncing and closes the app. Now, open File Explorer. Go to your user folder and find the OneDrive folder. Right-click on it and choose Copy. Then navigate to the D drive. Right-click in an empty area and select Paste. This moves the OneDrive folder to the D drive. Wait until the process finishes. Next, click the Start button and type OneDrive. Open the OneDrive app. It will ask you to sign in. Enter your Microsoft account information and click Sign In. OneDrive will ask you where you want to sync your files. Click Change Location. Browse to the D drive and select the OneDrive folder that you just moved. Click Select Folder. A prompt will appear asking if you want to use this folder. Click Use this location. OneDrive will now begin syncing your files to the D drive. You can see the syncing status by clicking the OneDrive icon in the taskbar. That's all you need to do. OneDrive is now set to sync directly to the D drive. Thanks for watching.